So if you're trying to figure out how old your water heater is, the best place to find that is going to be on one of the stickers on the water heater itself. A lot of people will look at the energy guide sticker, which this water heater actually doesn't have an energy guide sticker on it. Some people will use that to figure out how old the heater is. That's not the right sticker. That sticker is going to have a different date. It can kind of throw you off. So what you actually want to be looking at is, it's like a white sticker. Some of them are clear, but it's going to have all of the information for the water heater. It's going to have the serial number, the model number, the amount of gallons, and whether it's electric or gas. So that sticker is actually located all the way down here. And there's a white sticker on this side here. When you reference this sticker for the age, it's not going to actually tell you outright how old the water heater is. You have to go and look at the serial number and then take that number and type it into whatever website is the manufacturer. So this is a State Select water heater. You would go to State Select's website, take the serial number, type it in there, and then it would throw out the age of the water heater. If you guys are experienced, it does take a little bit of a memorization, but some people, if you look at the serial number, you can kind of decrypt what age it is just by looking at it. But I'd say for everybody that's not familiar with serial numbers and water heaters, just take the number and type it into the corresponding website, and that'll give you the age of the water heater. So if you found this information useful, please subscribe for more helpful videos just like this on plumbing tips and instructionals. Thanks for watching.